What's going on, everyone? So I just won this car. It's a 2012 Ford Fusion. Pretty nice looking car. It makes a little like a little whining noise, and I'm hearing it either something from the belt or it might be a motor mount from what I've been reading about. But let me show you guys. So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it almost sounds like a pulley almost. So like, I don't know. Let's go again. It's not like the most annoying sound, but I'm not sure if it could be the band or a pulley. It's nothing major, but I was reading online that this Fusion, you know, they were making that noise, and I was hearing a lot about a motor mount, but I'm not driving the car, so I don't know if it would be a motor mount in this case. I don't feel it when I shift gears. I don't feel it. When I step on the gas, it does go up a little bit. So what do you guys think? Comment below.